Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you've been wondering how long it takes to withdraw funds from Pocket Option, you're in the right place. I'm going to go through all the details you need to know. Let's dive in. Okay, so jumping straight in, your typical processing time for your withdrawals are processed within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the payment method as well as the account verification status. So your speed will also vary by that method. Cryptocurrency withdrawals can be completed in as little as 5 minutes, while your bank transfers may take up to 14 days for full processing. So cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and any other cryptos offer the fastest withdrawal times, and it's limited only by network congestion. E-wallet transfers, which would be under 24 hours, which would include Skrill, Neteller, Payoneer, and it typically processes withdrawals within the same business day, which is great. And then your bank transfers and your cards will take 1 to 7 days. So traditional banking methods will take longer due to the institutional processing requirements, and that may take even up to 14 days. Some of the key factors affecting the speed is the account verification status, which we mentioned earlier on. So a fully verified account with a complete KYC documentation, which is know your customer. That's when you hold up the cell phone and you take a selfie and you move your head from left to right. Those documentations receive priority processing and faster withdrawal times. Then the payment method choice. Digital payment methods like crypto and e-wallets bypass traditional banking delays, and this will then offer a near instant transfer. Your bank processing times. The external banks may impose additional days beyond the Pocket Options control, and this is especially for any international transfers. Also, the withdrawals that are submitted on weekends, holidays, or anything after business hours, you may also experience a longer processing time. And if you are looking for some tips for faster withdrawals, make sure that you verify your account with a KYC. Double check your payment details, choose crypto or e-wallet over bank transfers, and contact support if you are in a predicament where your withdrawal is exceeding 3 business days without any processing.